Round pushpin, so you have probably been wondering how we can gather that coin for us, and this is the strategy. Just follow the steps, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. A lot of money, a lot of currencies, anyone can. It also works all around the world. So basically, you can live in Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Philippines, wherever you want. I'm gonna show you a few websites today, and you will be amazed by the profits. But first of all, let's get ourselves a wallet. This Exodus wallet is really good, such as this Atomic wallet. They're both nicely rated on Trustpilot and they look really cool as well. I like this Exodus wallet because of its interface and they don't waste money on fees. But of course, you can always use Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Blockchain, even Binance. And if you are a complete beginner, you can just choose your wallet on bitcoin.org. These have 4 simple questions for you and you can just answer. For example, what's your operating system? Click on Windows, click on Next. Second question, how much do you know about Bitcoin? Just be honest with them. If you are new, click on New. Click on Next then. Third question, which criteria are important to you? Fees. Don't forget the fees. We don't want to waste money on that. What features are you looking for? Last question, two-factor authentication. It's good. And then you have been selected. Electron wallet. This wallet is also good. I don't like it because it is ugly, but it is working in the end, whichever one you choose. It is good and let's go. Crypto is waiting for us and I have perfect websites for getting some. First of all, there is unminable.com and you have these 5 pools and you can mine with your CPU or your graphics card. So what you have to do now, you just have to choose the coin. So you want to get BNB. You want to just click on that and that's it. Just enter in your BNB address, copy it, paste over here and then just go and download this software. Unminable is similar to this one. This is minustat.com, but this needs some setup. You can see on Trustpilot 4.8 out of 5 and also Minustat that has nice comments on Trustpilot. Miners that is simple to use. Outstanding. It's a fantastic software. The best mining software. That's what people think about it. And it really is everything you need in one dashboard and go make yourself an account. Go click on dashboard. You will have this access key. You have to remember that instead of logging in. And once you log in, this is gonna be your dashboard. And the first step that we have to do, we have to set up workers. Now what you have to do, you have to select your hardware. Just choose NVIDIA or AMD. If you use that, click on NVIDIA, for example like me. Select operating system Windows of course, and then just name your machine. You can name whatever you want. You can just write, and for example Planet Earth, just click on add worker and that's it. The first step is done, and now you just have to download Minustat for Windows. Thank you for downloading. Thank you Minustat. And now what we have to do is we have to configure this worker. So firstly, go to worker config here and now you just have a few simple configuration steps. Phoenix ETH is a default client for this one, but there is one which is especially made for NVIDIA card. So if you have NVIDIA card like myself, choose this XMRIG NVIDIA, but if you use AMD card, just use Phoenix ETH. Now you just have to select the coin in here. You just select that coin and then you have to select this pool, which is this one. ETH through MyNERS is the best pool, and the reason why it is the best, you can go over to calculator and you can see that ETH through MyNERS, it has $2.25 per hour. Now if you just do simple calculation of how much that is, times 24 hours in a day, 54 bucks, 54 bucks each day. And if you do that for 30 days in a month, well, $1,600. $1,600 and you just use minus store. Now let's continue with our configuration. It needs to be done. Click on save changes. And the last step which you have to do is to click here on address editor. We have to put our address in here on our wallet. So for example, you can just put this for ETH and the second one for BTC or BNB. Just put that address, whichever one you took, just put it there and you are then ready. Of course, there are some overclocking features. You can just add your first overclock profile here as well. You can just add it, but of course don't do that. If you are not satisfied with the income that you're getting, then you are free to do so. Because this is advanced setting and you take full responsibility for possible hardware damage. So use it safely, be cautious and just enjoy the profits. Now of course, I wanna show you one more, and this is cloud mining. This is free Bitcoin mining moonbitcoins.com. Just enter your wallet address and you will get a lot of money. So copy the address, paste it in here, click on log and click on start. And then you are inside, and this is what you have to do once you get on this website. Don't click on this green button yet. Just click on this one first. Your hourly bounty is active. Click to get it now. That's just some free money for yourself, just like some faucet. And you can see, congratulations, you have earned this Bitcoin. just some free money. You can get a lot of money with this if you set up your timer here after 1 hour each hour. And of course, do this daily bonus as well because this is active each day. So daily bonus is active. Get it now. Each day when you can get it, you will have this message. Of course, congratulations once again. You will get this and then you can go on your dashboard and then you can just click on start Bitcoin mining. And now you are getting those profits for free. A lot of money just coming to you for free. You do nothing and this terminal is getting you money. Just never close this mining window. The amount will be lost and now you just can enjoy your profits. Pretty a good strategy for some nice free. And Moon Bitcoins is doing all the work for you. You will have this starting mining operation. You will have your speeds, your hashes per second and once in a lifetime. This is opportunity you can't miss. You have these winnings green messages telling you how much of that Bitcoin you have won. You have won some Bitcoin and it's all for free. This is no setup, nothing at all. You have to set up the miner stat. But this one, this Moon Bitcoins, you don't have to set up anything. The money is just coming now. Hit that subscribe button on if you like these methods. Now, of course, we would be fools if we stop there. While this is getting you some money and while this is getting you some and this one as well, we can go and get some active money as well. This website is called cointipple.com and the more time you invest in this, the more money you're gonna get. Look at it on Trustpilot, 4.1 out of 5. A lot of great comments about this website as well. Best site to earn some crypto coin. People gives a lot of. And you can play some games, you can watch videos, and you can do these surveys which are really profitable. $5 for every online survey you participate in. So that's just some great money. For example, let's say you do 4 of these per hour. So that's 4 times 5. Then you can get $20 each hour. And if you do this for, I don't know, 5 hours per day, 100 bucks, 100 bucks just like that. Just doing surveys. This is really nice website and what I love about this, you have certain offers, you have surveys and of course you have these playing games, complete tasks. And just take a look at the number of users on this website, 3 million already. They all do these offers and they all enjoy these features. Just take a look at these quick features. Loyalty bonus is my favorite one. You can just log in each day to get 1% increased in all of your earnings. That's a lot of money. Google Play app, it is also available 4.4 out of 5 here. And you can just enjoy, lay on your couch, pull out your phone and get that currency for you. Just watch videos, for example, and you will get a lot of money, do surveys or whatever you want to do. You are profitable when you make yourself an account and when you log in inside, it's gonna be pretty easy. This is gonna be your dashboard. Just go over to this earn coins. Just go, for example, go view PDC ads and then just watch these ads for money. So just view something for 7 seconds and the money is yours. Go and take some action and I will catch you later.